Hello everyone. So guys, a few weeks back I shared with you guys my minimalist art kit with you guys. But since then I have made a lot of changes to my art case. So I thought maybe I should make another video and show you guys how I have upgraded my art case. So let's begin. So first of all, I would like to talk about my art case itself. So earlier I didn't have a specific art case. I was just using a generic bag, a crossbody bag to carry my art supplies with me, which included only my sketchbook along with my pencil case that carried all my art supplies. But now I have got myself a pretty decent art case. So this is a travel sketch case by Winsor & Newton, and this is not available on the market right now. I have thrifted it on marketplace, and if you want one like this for yourself, the only places you are going to get this is either eBay or marketplace or any place where you can find vintage art supplies. So that's that. And let me tell you, I have been looking for this art case for a while now, and I cannot tell how happy I am to find this one because I love this art case. I have seen a lot of art cases, but this one is my favorite. And why is that? I love the color. I love its size. I love the pockets. I love the strap, and there is some branding done on the front, on the back, and it is small enough to be carried, everywhere, and it is big enough to carry all my art supplies that I might need on my daily travel sketching sessions. So I will show you what art supplies it came with first. So these are the art supplies that it came with. This is a water bottle. This is Winsor & Newton Cotman travel sketch palette. I guess I'm saying this right. I love the choice of colors I have in this one, but I don't like the paints. They are not so easy to work with, and they are not as pigmented as I would have wanted. So I'm not using this palette for travel sketching. So this is a pencil, lead pencil. I'm not using this either. And this is a sketchbook that came with this. I think it is A6 size, and it looks nice and cute. I love the blue, but the paper is thick. You can see the paper is thick, but it doesn't feel or look or work like watercolor paper. I have tried some watercolor and gouache painting to test it out, but I didn't like it. So maybe I will use it as a rough sketchbook or something, but I'm not using it for my travel sketching right now. Okay, so let's put these aside. Let me show you how does it look from the inside. Okay, so first off, on the flap on the outside you have a pocket that I use for my mobile. When you open, you have two pockets here, and this one is big enough for carrying an A6 size sketchbook. My preferred choice of sketchbook is C. White of Brighton, as you might already know if you have been following me, and if you have been watching my travel sketching videos, you might know already I use C. White of Brighton for my travel sketching. So this is my A6 travel sketchbook that fits perfectly in this outer pocket. This pocket is thin, so I guess you can keep like pamphlets or cards or something like that. I don't have anything here right now, but it's good to have it anyway. Okay, so when we open this up, it opens like this. It opens all the way. Okay, so you can reach your art supplies very easily. You can put it in your lap and keep your sketchbook over it and just paint or draw or sketch or whatever. And where should I start? Okay, so first off, I have my 2 water refillable brushes that I had already in my earlier kit. And then I have a mechanical pencil, a pencil eraser, Tombow mono eraser, a fine liner, Sakura Micron 03, a Sakura Jelly Roll white pen, and 2 travel brushes, 2 travel watercolor brushes. One is size 8 and the other one is size 0. Okay, and on this side I have 2 paper clips. One is magnetic, the other one is a simple bulldog clip. I can place them here. And here I have a water spray bottle, which I did not have in my earlier art kit because that was too small. So now I can have this. And I have upgraded my watercolor palette also. My earlier one was even smaller than this one. This is a bit bigger. It is by Portable Painter. It is micro. They also have a bigger one, but I got the micro one, and it has 6 full, not full, it has 6 half pens, and it has a lot of space for mixing. It has a cup. Actually, this one you can use as a cup or as a mixing area. It's up to you. But I probably wouldn't use it as a mixing area because I think it will be too uncomfortable for me to mix in this because it is too deep. So I might not use it for mixing. I might use it for water if I want to use normal brush and water. Otherwise, I will just use these 4 mixing areas. And I have placed this. This is a little customization that I have done. It comes with, I don't know, what do you call that thing? There was a ring like you have on your mobile cases sometimes, that helps you carry the palette like so. But I didn't want that. I wanted my hand to be free while I'm sketching. So I have just placed this magnetic sticker. It's metal, so it is magnetic. It makes me able to use it with a magnet clip. I just clip it on my sketchbook and I place this palette on top, and my hands are free to paint and sketch. The palette is the same color palette that I had in my earlier palette. These paints are by Sennelier. So, and this one is white gouache. So this is all about my watercolor palette. Let's just put it back. That's all. So this is all that I have in my travel case. which does not look that bigger than my previous one, but still it is so much more than my previous art kit. It allows me to paint with the water refillable brushes or with normal brushes with a cup. See, if I want, I can even add a deflatable, this is by Faber-Castell, deflatable water cup. I can even add this, it can fit perfectly, but I think I don't need it, so I don't want to make it bulky or heavy, so I'm not keeping. I can use the one that has come with the portable painter, so I don't need it. So this art case has everything that I need, that I might need on my sketching tours or sketching sessions, and I can carry it anywhere. I don't use a handbag these days, guys. I use this bag as my handbag. I can keep my mobile or my cards or anything in this bag, and I can just use it as a crossbody bag or a messenger bag, and I can take it to the hospital, to the grocery store, or to the park, to the hike, or anywhere. So this is all that I have got. Let me know in the comments what do you think about my upgraded version of my travel art case, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.